Okay, hello people. So you're gonna watch me build my house because I'm bored, nothing else to do. I see that this, oh crap, no it isn't. Usually I try to go in order, but sometimes it's hard for me. Well, alright. How's this gonna work? It's gonna be floating. I'm gonna put mountains. Yeah, that's how it's gonna work. It's gonna be like a hillside, non-hillside house. Whatever you wanna call that. Does that work? Yes, it does. I'm trying to make sure that I'm gonna be happy with the exterior. And then also that. No, that's too small. We want big hill. Yeah, we want big hill. Okay. Now I kind of am stuck with a problem, but I will figure it out. My friend usually uses mana card. Think about using it. Hold up. How am I doing this? Okay, that's not gonna work. Oh well, I start school soon. Sorry if you hear background noise. There's reasons to it, but yeah. I'm just gonna do the outline of the house and mountain. I'm scared that that wall's gonna be placed wrong. Oh my god. If you guys have any tips, I'd be glad to take tips. If you can tell, I'm terrible at it. If you haven't told already. Well, I'm planning on making a basement to this house, so I think it's gonna go really cute. Just wait until I don't do that. So this is gonna have to, okay. Hopefully nobody will notice this, and I'm gonna make this a little smaller, if you can tell. I'm trying so hard to make this actually look good. I'll be done when I'm done with the mountains. Okay, well, I finished the mountain. If it'll let me move. I know it's terrible. I still need to add plants, but I'm gonna do it later. Right now, my house is worth 28K. That's really good. Oh, that's the plants. Decorate. Garden. Okay, there's one thing I want to do back here. So over here's going to be the backyard. Plan on extending it. I want to do that tree. Then I'm going to make this that color. Wait, no. Better. Yeah, that looks better now. And now I'm just working in the backyard. Bugs. I'm tempted to buy this. It's cute and I could always reuse it. I could buy this. Let me see if I'd have room to place this. Okay, so if it was right here, it wouldn't look realistic. I think that looks more realistic. No, it doesn't. Should have done better. So I have a song stuck in my head for no reason. Grab this. Now I kind of need to barricade these so my children don't fall off. Wait, but how am I? I'm gonna put a gate. Cause like, say if they want to go play out. Yeah, I'm gonna put a gate after I finish this. If I ever get out of this. Guys, yes, I know I'm not rich, so. I think that looks really cute. Well, that's all for today. And bye! Wait. Hold up 1 minute. Okay, well, bye. Have an amazing day, and bye.